Today we're going to show you the unboxing video of the Breg Polar Wave. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what comes with your Wave cooler. Now let's jump right into it and see what comes with your cooler. Once you get your Wave in the mail, this is what it's going to look like. So on the front of the box, there's a sticker and it's going to say Polar Wave. Just make sure it's what you ordered. That they didn't make a mistake in fulfilling it. Now you need to open the box. So you want to cut the sides first. Pro tip here, you don't want to take the knife and dive it right straight down into the box because you could actually damage what's inside because sometimes the tubing rides up to the top. So you want to kind of open the box up a little bit and just barely get the tape to open it up. And that way you don't damage anything. So inside the box, there's going to be a pad. If you ordered a pad, just make sure it's the right pad that you ordered. In this particular case, this person ordered a foot and ankle pad, so just make sure the pad matches up with what you ordered. And this is what comes in the Wave box. This is the Wave itself. It comes in this nice plastic bag. You're going to get the directions, so make sure you take a look and thoroughly go through the directions. You're also going to get a power cord to plug your Wave in. And then this is what the Wave itself looks like. That's what your Wave is going to look like. And you would just open that up. So these are the two pieces to the cooler. And that's what comes with your Breg Polar Wave. Now that you know what comes with your Breg Polar Wave, click on this next video up here and we're going to show you how to use the Breg Polar Wave. Now let's get back in motion.